In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online. Start by going to your Shopify homepage. Once you're there, navigate to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on Settings. In the Settings menu on the left side, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Then, click on the Shopify App Store button located in the upper right-hand side of your screen. In the App Store's search bar, type QuickBooks and press Enter. Among the search results, look for QuickBooks Online Global and click on it. Once you're on the app page, click Install from the left side and confirm by clicking Install again on the next screen. Wait a moment while Shopify prepares the integration. If you don't already have a QuickBooks account, you'll see an option on the right side of the screen to start a free trial. If you already have an account, click on Connect to QuickBooks from the left side of the screen. Log into your QuickBooks account to complete the connection. After connecting, return to your Shopify homepage. Click on Settings at the bottom left, then Apps and Sales Channels. You will now see QuickBooks Online Global listed. Click on it, and after logging in and connecting your account, you'll be presented with a sync option. That option allows you to synchronize product information, customer data, tax settings, and more between Shopify and QuickBooks. Click on it on your screen to complete the process, and this is how you can successfully connect Shopify to QuickBooks Online.